What's good with everyone? It's OAKLEYMADE 95 back with another video. We about to go ahead and do a reaction to that Skoob102 x Chapo102 Gewitter. Know what I'm saying? I heard the Skoob102. Ain't never hear Chapo102, but we gonna see what's up. Know what I'm saying? Ooh, that shit hit already, man. I'm just waking up. I was gonna go live yesterday, well, late last night. I was trying to stay up longer, but man, I got fucked up too early. You know what I'm saying? I was all fucked up. Say, sipping on that drink, smoking on that smoke. Put that together. Boy, don't cope. We're going to go ahead and get into this video. You know what I'm saying? My reaction yesterday got copyrighted. That's okay. But like I said, let's go ahead and get into this already. Skoob102, Chapo102, Gewitter. Know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and see what's up. What 02? What 02? Say, hold on. Who go harder, 102 boys or the 76 boys? I don't know. Gotta drink a lot of water. You know that alcohol be dehydrating you. Sorry, okay. Hold on. Ooh. Hey, you hear how that beat came in? Oh, shit. They posted up in the motherfucking garage. See, I like the way how they do their visuals. I don't know what it is. Whoever edited these doing them, that shit cold. That shit fucking cold. He got the umbrella. Umbrella, a under my umbrella. Hell no. You hear the way that beat just dropped. That shit just be dropping. That Sprite and that double cup. You see, man, this lean though, this shit just like went worldwide. Like everybody sipping drink. Like this lighting seem real dark. My bad for the lighting. Everybody sipping drink. Know what I'm saying? Like everywhere you go, you know, it don't matter. Look at them overseas, man. They sipping drink. You see what I'm saying? But that drink, the smoke fucking me up over here talking about how that drink fucking you. No, that drink be fucking you up though, man. But I'm saying like, it's just like, it seems like everybody's sipping drink nowadays, man. I'm hot. Don't listen to me. Shit, it's the morning time. That shit really hit. Damn, this shit choking me today. What the fuck he just say right there? Tell me right now what he say. Go ahead, comment down below. Let me know what he said, man. Hey, hold on. What's he saying? What's he saying? Hey, ah, shit, bro. I swear. Double cup. What's he saying right there, man? Comment down below. Let me know. That shit sound nice as hell. That shit sound nice as hell. Double cup. Say. 102 boys went fucking hard, bro. I like this shit. Chapo102 went fucking hard too, know what I'm saying? The motherfucking producer on the beat went hard, know what I'm saying? The visual man went hard, know what I'm saying? This whole motherfucking song, video, everything about it went hard, know what I'm saying? Shit, man, I'm fucking with this shit. For real, man. I really like this shit, man. This shit was pretty cold. The motherfucking beat, man. That's something I'm vibing with. 102 boys, you do anything. This shit going hard as hell. I'm fucking with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. I'm going to holler at y'all later. So make sure y'all go ahead and drop the likes. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Know what I'm saying? We're going to get them subscribers up here. You know, come rock with us. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. And yeah, man. Let's end this video now. Alright, y'all, though. Peace out, man.